Good morning. My name is Will Kintish, and I'm looking forward to being with you on October the 1st, where I'm going to share my thoughts on how you can really enjoy your networking and, most importantly, how you can get the most from it. Now, I know, having done this for 24 years, presenting to tens of thousands of people, what their fears are. Fear of rejection, will anyone talk to me? Fear of the unknown, what's going to happen when I walk in that room? Fear of failure, what's going to happen if I'm asked a question and I don't know the answer? And the fourth one is fear of wasting time. Well, on the day, I'm going to destroy all those fears for you. I'm going to talk to you about how to work the room, how to ask all the right questions, and most importantly, how to follow up if you spot an opportunity. You see, many people are what I call networking criminals. They spot an opportunity and don't know what to do. And finally, I'm going to be encouraging you to talk more and type less. See you on October the 1st. Goodbye now.